everyone, it's Lisa, and today is Saturday and it's our first day of spring break, and I am upstairs in my room in my new little filming section. I've got my new table here from Impressions, and I just got through eating some Easter candy that Yvette sent me. But I went and got my hair done today. I was going to get her to curl it, but it was raining, so I didn't want to do the damage to my hair, like use the heat for no reason. So she just did it straight, and she just did the color. No highlights, just that Redken volcanic color. And I'll put my hair videos down below just in case you're interested. So this is basically just a test video so I can look at the lights. I've got a monitor for the first time. I haven't got anything in my drawers yet, but I've got a little mirror here, and I bought this thing off of Instagram, and it is so cheap, but I'm hoping it'll do once I wanted to put like Fix Plus, brush cleaner, and stuff like that in here. And then I've got, you know, some brushes, and I want to order some more of those little containers. I think they come from the Container Store that like Desi has all along the back. And so I mainly wanted to see how this comes out, my camera settings. You know, I told you I had a guy come over here and set my camera up and everything, but I don't know how it's going to be. And right now I on purpose did not touch up my makeup. This is my makeup from, what time did I get ready? We left at 12, so I probably put this on about at 11 o'clock. And I took pictures of right before we left, and then Brooke and I went and ate at Longhorn. We had some appetizers, and then I had my hair appointment at, I think, 2 o'clock. And then we went to Ulta, and maybe I should go ahead and show you what I got at Ulta. But anyway, so this is my lip combo left over. I did reapply, not the liner, but just Golden Tiger, the lipstick, when we got back in the car before we went to get my hair done at 2. And so I have already taken a nap and everything, and I just wanted to show you how pretty it stains your lips. See how I have like that, a lip line now, and my lips are just kind of naturally stained. It leaves them just with like a natural color on them. And I think if you just use the lipstick, you'll get a little bit of that, but I think what it is really that lip liner mixed in it a little bit really helps. So I think I'm going to go get the stuff that I got from Ulta and show you today, and then I'm also going to show you the palette that I used today and tell you what I think about it. So I'll be right back. Okay, here I am. I got all my stuff. This is so exciting. I hope that I know this will work out. I'll just have to tweak it if you guys think that it's too bright or whatever. And so I got the stuff that we got today at Ulta, and I also figured I grabbed this little lip kit has some miles on it already. I have taken it. It's been down to the beach where I took those pictures that you guys have probably seen. I have taken it over to the beach. I've taken it to the sound side, and I've been carting it with me to show everybody, because I did not get a lot of extra ones because I wanted you guys to get them. And so I figured what we do now is just that Summer Nights. What are you doing?
Cut!
What you want?
I'm gonna turn it, fix this.
Oh man, I'm glad we didn't have that on. I don't know, it makes it warmer.
That's about the same too. Yeah. Is it filming or something?
Yeah.
How do I stop? You ask for this, Blondie.
Stop it. There's a button in the back.
Start, stop.
Oh, sorry. Okay, turn the overheads.
See you.
See you.
Action.
Thank you. Looks like I need to blot.
You want me to cut this light off too?
No, just leave that one on. Okay, I'm back. John's been helping me with my little situation here. Okay, I ran downstairs, got the stuff. Okay, I was past that. This is the Golden Tiger. So we are going to put this on with the lip liner that's left. because I think that's even better. You guys know I love a lip combo at the end of the day. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. And I know a lot of you, or several of you, said that you can't wait till maybe if I could do pinks one day. Don't be afraid of this, because even though it's peach, it's a good peach. It's not too peachy. It's, you know, if you wear pinks, I think you would still like this. So that is a little refresher, and I don't even think I need, usually I only put this lip liner on one time a day. I don't have to put it on again unless I just want that look. Okay, so I've been keeping it in the little box here. Okay, and I do think if it's not sold out already, I do think it's about sold out. And like I told you guys, it was limited edition, but I think that we're gonna do it one more time because I don't think they thought that you guys love me this much and that it would sell out so quick. So I haven't looked at the website, but if it's sold out, I think they're gonna do it again. So I should have probably texted them before I talked to you, but I kind of did this on a whim, obviously. Okay, today on my face, and I bought a little remote, but ding dong me, it's only for the camera part. I thought it was gonna work for all kinds of stuff, and I just ordered it from Amazon, and I need to get another one so I can zoom up close and stuff. So we're just gonna sit right here for a minute. But this is something that I bought, I think before I left to go out of town, and it is this beautiful, I mean, that packaging is just gorgeous. I mean, it is gorgeous. And you guys remember, I love this other palette that they came out with, the Too Faced Natural Love. Well, this is Too Faced Natural Lust. And I've used it twice now. I think the other day when I did a video, maybe my undergarments video, I used this, and both times I thought to myself, I really don't like this that much. I definitely don't like it as much as the first one. But after I finished my look and, you know, got it all together, I really liked it. Like today, I kind of used, let's see, I know I always use this color because it's like the only warm color in here, so I always use that. And I kind of started off with these. I used this. It's one of those that you kind of makes you feel like either Pixie Woo or Candy Johnson, kind of use a bunch of different colors. But let's see if you can, I will have to see when I do this video how well the colors show up. But this is a very, very cool tone palette. So let me hold it back here. Yeah, I think you can see. See if you can see my, yeah, oh, there's that little thing on my lighting. Anyway, so that is what I used today, and this, I really love this. Now it is, if you do it all together, you're gonna have too much shimmer, but I've been using the shimmery, like bird part of it as my highlight, which you can still see, and then I've been using the bronzer as my final. A lot of times I'll do a final, gosh, I've got the, John turned my air conditioner on and it is getting cold. See if my Nest works. Oh, we'll turn it. Don't you hate that? It's making me sign in. So anyway, I'll get it in a minute. But so that is a very like cool tone bronzer, and so that is what I use just like for my final bronzer. But I had already used the stick, the Makeup Forever stick. I kind of did the same. I've stuck on this natural look, and this is actually the NARS Sheer Glow in Stromboli. So that is what I used today, and I just wanted to tell you about those that I really like them. You know, the eye palette I would not say is a must-have. If you like cool tones and purpley tones, I think you would like it, but it is really pretty. I don't see anything wrong with it. Okay, then the next things I'm going to show you are things that Brooke and I had some time between eating and going to get my hair done, and I had the 20% off coupon that they sent probably to a bunch of us in the email, and so I grabbed these. And I think this one was a, oh my gosh, who was it that suggested this? Maybe Lisa J Makeup. I think I've watched a bunch of videos here lately, and someone suggested this, and I had everything written down. That's what I do when people say something like for Ulta or whatever, I will just write it down and then I'll take a picture of my list before I go. So this is the Revolution Bacon Blotch in Banana Light. And so I grabbed this. Like I said, this is a test video, so if you guys can't see, I will change things up. But so this is Banana Light. It really looks good. It looks a lot like, it almost looks like the color of Laura Mercier translucent powder. That's what it looks like to me. Okay, then Brooke said that this was really good. It's the Tutti Frutti It's Bananas Brightening Setting Powder. You'll see a little theme here. And, gosh, it's interesting. It's really cute, the packaging. And here it is. See, I can see that you cannot see that. So, that means, let me make a little adjustment. Hold on. Really light anyway. The bananas. Oh, goodness. Okay, so that is the banana. And then this is the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Translucent Setting Powder. And I saw this when we were over here looking at this, and this is the Translucent Radiant Pearl. So I just thought it might be another good one, like to put under your eyes or something. I just want to try it. I really like these kind of powders, like the Laura Geller. And this one is like this. Oh, it's so cute. I haven't peeled this off yet. But this has kind of like that pinky undertone, and ooh, it really has some little bit of shimmer. Oh gosh, it is really soft and like finely milled. Okay, I can see that you cannot see that, so let me look at tracking. Okay, I'm back. I was just editing the video to see, and what I have noticed is, one, I thought I was recording the whole end of the video and I wasn't, so this is going to be my new ending of the video. But two, a lot of times when I was showing something on the camera, you could actually see it better than I can in the monitor. So it was good for me to do this. It was a good test video. And I noticed when I raised up my arm, I have tanner left. I need to scrub underneath my arms. So it's not that I'm dirty. It's just, I tell you, self-tanner is just high maintenance. It is, no matter what, it is high maintenance. So I just took off my nail polish and I am going to use this. So I thought I would paint one of them and show you real quick. Let me put this on real quick. Okay, so Chanel's up here now, you're going to hear, but I just painted these. See, like I can tell that in the monitor it doesn't look like you can see, but I know that you can see. Isn't that the prettiest, one of the prettiest bright colors? And again, this is Orly in Blazing Sunset. Okay, now I think I must have not been recording when I showed you the blushes that I got today, and I didn't realize that till I was just sitting here. So I did get, I'm not going to be able to open it, but I got the Buxom blush in Dolly, and then we got Mykonos. I always say we because Brooke and I share most of my makeup, and we picked it out together. So that is going to be your peachiest of all the Buxom, new Buxom Wanderlust blushes, and this is going to be your most, you know, kind of like, I hate to say berry nude, but like a nude color. And so picked up these today, and then I really wanted to show you these. I did not want to miss out on this. I would have not have painted my fingernails had I realized this, but I sat beside a girl at Reward Style that had these on, and I just love them. Are they not? These earrings just are so, like, they're a little bit garden party because they're like little roses all the way around. That's what the design is roses. But they're a little bit wrapper. They're a little bit, I don't know, they're kind of like 60s or over the top. I just thought they were so cool. The coolest earrings. And I think that's it. I will let you guys go for this silly little Saturday night video. But I felt like this is part of my, you know, process to get it done right. I don't have any, John's helping me the best he can, bless his heart, but you know, we've never been real big camera people. And I noticed that this picture right here is showing I haven't decided whether I'm going to keep this just white in the background. I kind of like that. So, or if I'm going to put maybe some pictures, and I just had this sitting here. It's not just, I didn't do that on purpose. It might not stay. It's just there. And so, and I wanted to thank you again for all your support and love on my new lip collection. And I hope that we can, I want everyone that wants it to be able to get it. And I really feel like the price is good for 3 products for $68, and it's very high quality. I mean, it is just as good as any other lipstick I've ever tried. And so I feel good about it. I feel good about you spending your money there. So I hope that we can keep making it until everybody that wants it has it, and then maybe we'll do something else. I don't know. No big plans, but just, you know, I want to. And so thank you again for all of your support. I felt your happiness, and it was really, it's so exciting. It just touched my heart, and I appreciate it. So I will see you soon. Bye-bye.